Hello students, welcome back to our channel. And in the previous video, we have discussed about exercise 2.3, first two problems. Now we are going to discuss a few more problems from the same exercise. Okay, let us observe the third question. In the third question, we have given as 7p minus 3 is equal to 3p plus 8. Third question, what is the third question that we got? That is 7p minus 3 is equals to 3p plus 8. Here, to find out the solution of this equation, we need to make all the variable terms to one side of that equation. So, if you observe this given equation, and we have a variable on the both side of an equation, and on LHS we have 7p, and RHS we have 3p, where 3p is less than 7p. So, smaller term should be transposed to other hand of equation. So, on transposing this plus 3p to other hand becomes negative. In the same manner, on transposing this constant minus 3 to other hand of equation, it becomes a plus 3. So, on doing so, you get it as an 7p minus 3p, that is equal to 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3. From this, we got 7p minus 3p, that is of 4p. 4p, we got it as an 11. From this, value of p, we get it as an 11 by 4. 11 by, and let us see the fourth problem. In the fourth problem, we got it as an 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. Here also we have a variable on the both side of an equation. We have a variable on the both side of the equation. So what we need to do? We need to transpose these variables to one side of equation, and doing so, for doing that, you need to check that on which side we have smaller variable. Here on LHS we got 8m, and RHS we have given as an 7m. As a 7m is smaller than 8m, and transposing this 7m to other hand of equation becomes negative, and doing this constant terms to other hand of equation, that means I'm transposing this plus 9 to other hand of equation becomes a negative. So 8m, and transposing this 7m to other hand of equation minus 7m, that is equals to 8, and transposing this plus 9 to other hand of equation becomes a minus 9. So 8m minus 7m, that is m, that is equals to 8 minus 9, that is of minus 9. So value of m in the given equation is what? M is equals to minus 1. In the same manner, let us see the fifth problem. Let us see the fifth problem. In the fifth question, we have given as an 7z plus 13 is equals to 2z plus 4. Okay, here also we got a variable on the both side of equation as 7m and 2z. So here 2z is smaller than the 7m, so transpose this plus 2z to other hand of equation in the same manner, and transposing this plus 13 to other hand of equation becomes a negative. On doing so, you can write it as an 7z minus 2z, that is equals to 4 minus 13. 7z minus 2z, that is of 5z. 5z is equal to 4 minus 13. 4 minus 13, that you get it as a minus 9. From this, z, and transposing this multiplier 5 to other hand of equation becomes a divisor. Z is equal to minus 9 by 5, that you will get. And let us see the few more problems in this. Okay, let us see the sixth problem. Here in the sixth question, we have 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Okay, what is the sixth question? It is of 9y plus 5 is equals to 15y minus 1. Here I'm transposing this. Here to transpose, firstly you need to check that we have variable on the both side, and moreover here LHS is 9y, RHS is 15y. Here 9y is smaller than the 15y, so we need to transpose this 9y to RHS. In the same manner, I'm transposing this negative 1 from the RHS to LHS becomes a positive. So on doing so, we get it as a 5, and transposing this negative 1 to other hand becomes a plus 1, that is equals to 15y, and transposing this plus 9y to other hand equation minus 9y, that will get. So from this, we get a 5 plus 1 is 6, and 15y minus 9y. 15y minus 9y, that is of 6y. Here we got 6 is equals to 6y. To get the value of y, we need to transpose this constant term which is connected to the variable as a multiplier. So on transposing this multiplier to other hand of equation, it becomes a divisor, so that we get it as a 6 by 6 is equals to y. From this, 6 1 the 6 1 by 6. So from this we get a y value as a 1. What is the solution for sixth answer? It is of 1. And let us see the next question, that is of seventh one. Okay, in the seventh question we have given as a 3x plus 4 is equals to 5 of x minus 2. Here we here also we have a variable on the both sides, but on LHS side we need to apply the on RHS side we need to apply the distributive property. So that let me write this LHS as firstly as a 3x plus 4, and I'm distributing this 5 as an 5 into x, that is 5x, and 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Now, here we have variable on the both sides. On LHS we have 3x, in RHS we have 5x. So, as a 3x is smaller than 5x, the smaller variable means transposing to other hand of equation. And this constant minus 10, if I transpose to other hand of equation, it becomes a plus 10. So that we get it as an what we get? 4 plus 10 equals to 5x minus 3x. From this, 4 plus 10, this of 14 is equals to 2x. Here 2 is a multiplier to the x, and transposing this multiplier to other hand of equation becomes a divisor. So x is equals to 14 by 2, 2 1, 2 7. So from this we get x value as a 7. So what is the solution for seventh question in this? It is a x is equals to 7. And in the same manner, if you take this eighth problem, take this eighth problem. Okay, eighth one want to take that. That is of 3 of t minus 3 is equals to 5 of 2t minus 1. Here also we need to apply distributive property. And applying distributive property, then we can elaborate. And applying distributive property, we can elaborate as a 3 into t as a 3t, and 3 into minus 3 is of minus 9, that is equals to 5 into 2t. 5 into 2t, that is of 10t, and 5 into minus 1, that is of minus 4. From this, 3t minus 9 is equals to 10t minus 5. And if you observe this, here also we have a variable on the both side of an equation. And LHS we have 3t, and RHS we have 20. As a 3t is smaller than the 20, and transposing this 3 to other hand of equation in the same manner, and transposing this negative 5 to other hand of equation becomes a positive. On doing so, we get it as a minus 9 plus 5 is equals to 20 minus 3t. From this, we get it as a minus 4 is equals to 70. From this, t is equals to minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7. What is the solution for this eighth one? That is t is equals to minus 4 by 7.